You can secure your financial future with real estate investments. Are you tired of just scraping by and dreaming of a better financial future? Well, it may be time for you to consider investing in real estate as a route to reach this goal. Investing in real estate can provide an excellent opportunity to increase your wealth. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. And although it may sound intimidating, real estate investing can generate passive income, which can build you that long-term financial stability.
Real estate's also an appreciating asset, meaning its value will most likely increase over time as the market grows. And not all investments require a large sum of money, as there's some brilliant techniques that any savvy investor should research and consider before taking the plunge into this arena.
Feel free to reach out to my team and I so that we can help navigate you through the market and help you find the best opportunities for your investment portfolio. So why wait? Take control of your financial future now and start investing in real estate today. Again, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and remember, we love where we live and we want you to love where you live too, so give us a jingle.